Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today I are going to discuss lesson 14 Geometry. Before going to this topic, first we have to clear what is point, what is line segments, line, and what is ray. So, a point is an exact location. A fine dot represents a point. What is it? This one? If dot, it represents a point. Dot is also called point. In the adjoining figure, A is a point. Then line segment. What is line segment? A V. Look here. This one is a line segment. The straight path from A to B is called line segment. AB denoted by AB. The point AB are called the endpoint of AB. The distance between the point A and B is called the length of AB. Thus the line segment has a length which can be measured. The edge of a table, the edge of a ruler, etc. example of the line segment. Then next come to what is line? A line is an endless straight path that extends in both directions. In both sides of the directions. A line has no end point. A line segment AB extends on both sides marked by arrow mark. What are these? These are arrow mark on both the ends of the represented line denoted by AB like this. Arrows in opposite direction indicate the lines in endless. Sometimes a line represented by a small letter L, M, N, etc. In the adjoining figure, L is a line. This one is a line. You have to remember one point. An infinite number of lines can be drawn to pass through a given point. One and one only line can be drawn to pass through two given points A and B. Ray. The next one is ray. A ray is a straight path having one end and extend endlessly in one direction only. The end point of a ray is called its initial point. This one is the initial point of a ray and this one end. In the adjoining figure, AB ray is A is the initial point of AB. Now, measuring line segments. How we measure the line segment? We measure the line segment with the help of the ruler or the scale. Look at here. This one is the 15 centimeter ruler. Here 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. How to measure? Place the edge of the ruler along line segment AB, keeping the 0 centimeter. Here 0 is there. So 0 centimeter. Mark the ruler at a point A. Then read the mark on the ruler at point B. We observe that the end point of B is 3 small divisions. A head of 6 cm mark. So the length of AB is 6 cm, 3 mm or 6.3 cm. Usually you say 6 cm. Now come to straight line and curved lines. What are straight lines? Straight lines we draw like this and also the help of scale ruler. And curved lines we like do this. Get a curved line. What are curves? The figure traced out with the help of the safe edge of a pencil without lifting the pencil are called curves. Here some examples are there. Look here. These all are above one is curved lines and the below are straight lines. What are closed and open figures? See this one, polygon. A simple closed figure. This one is a closed figure. 3 or more line segment is called polygon. The line segment which a polygon are called sides. which two adjacent side of a polygon meet is called vertex of the polygon. The plural of vertex is vertices. The polygon is 4 sides. These are sides and these 4 are vertex. Student, these are most important, you have to remind it. Polygon with 3 sides is called triangle. A polygon with 4 sides is called quadrilateral. Polygon with 5 sides is called pentagon. A polygon with 6 sides is called hexagon. Polygon with 7 sides is called heptagon. 8 sides is called octagon. This one is triangle. This one quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, or last one is octagon. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides. How many sides? 3 sides. What are these? A, B, B, C, C, A. 3 vertices are A, B, and C. This one is quadrilaterals. It also it has 4 vertices and 4 sides. What are 4 sides? A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, A. And 4 vertices are A, B, C, and D. In a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, A, B, and C, D make one pair of opposite sides. B, C, and A, D, B, C, and A, D make another pair of opposite sides. Next one is rectangle. A rectangle is a special type of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal, diagonals are equal. A PQ is equal to RS and PS is equal to QR. PR is equal to QS. And the last one is a square. It is a special type of rectangle in which all the 4 sides are equal. The diagonals of a square are also equal. The adjoining figure shows a rectangle in which EF, FG, GH, EH. So EF, GH is a square. Clearly EG is equal to FH. Okay students. In next class we have to solve the exercise of this lesson, geometry. Thank you students.